ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kalarai ba Baroh ki khat arngot ki Myntri kentup yu Myntri rang ba bagi dai Banok Synniang shiki Lanot Shlei Garo Hills Myntri ka tanat kampo iyeng u James K Sangma menta ka sngi ula pentep ya kani hadin balawai ka jingyelang ka kunhun Myntri wadlau Myntri shim lala ban ajing tep hadu kat no gajing julor na gajing Shlei nrei ulong ba gajing do kala long ka julor bha kumta ula kentu ya Baroh ki paj ba ka jela Banok Synniang lemkat ba ki kot bor ban yarap iki Lanot Shlei lo ya thuru ba Myntri rang ba ukon rat ke sangma ula debban pan jing yarap kerki na ka Sorkar pedeng hakaba ulai kenduru yo Myntri kampo iyeng u Amit Shah dang shan
Flood situation came up for discussion, and I'm happy to inform you that our ministers, my colleagues in our cabinet, they have very happily agreed to contribute to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. So all the ministers will be contributing to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund, and I would like to take this opportunity to reach out to all the citizens of this state. This is not just a matter of the present flood situation that has unfortunately come up in our state, but also, keeping in view future natural disasters like this which may happen. We would like to appeal to the people of Meghalaya in whatever amount it may be, big or small. We would like to appeal to the citizens of our state and to the citizens of the rest of the country to donate generously to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Yes, I made a visit to the flood affected areas in mountains, and the situation is pretty grim because in some parts we were expecting that the water would recede, the flood waters would recede, but it does not seem to be receding at the moment. So the situation is quite grim, but the district administration is doing its level best to provide relief material, to make sure that the relief camps are in place, and these relief camps are taking care of those who have been displaced in the floods. We also have many boats in place, and if there are any shortages, we're trying to make arrangements for more boats. Sanitation is a big issue, so the health department is working overtime to ensure that in such a situation disease does not spread. So many efforts are on the ground, underway, and this is a natural disaster, so you're basically fighting against nature. But nonetheless, the government is seized with the matter, and we are really trying our level best to ensure that in whatever way we can extend all possible help to the people affected by the floods. Not the exact figure of how much we have projected, but we are seeking central assistance. Yes. Assam, as I said, Honorable Chief Minister met the Honorable Minister for Home Affairs, and we have met various ministers, the Government of India. We have approached them, and we are seeking central assistance for this time when we are being affected by the worst flood situation ever. So we have approached, and we are quite hopeful that the Government of India will extend support.